Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Plix Multivitamin. This supplement comes in an easy-to-use effervescent tablet form. For the best results, you should take just one tablet every single day. It's super simple to incorporate into your routine. We recommend taking it after one of your main meals, like breakfast or lunch, to ensure proper absorption and to be gentle on your stomach. This consistent daily intake is key to unlocking its full potential. Preparing your Plix multivitamin is incredibly straightforward. First, grab a glass and pour in about 200 milliliters of plain water. Next, simply drop one effervescent tablet into the water. Watch as it fizzes and dissolves completely, which usually takes just a minute or two. Once it's fully dissolved, give it a quick stir if you like, and then your delicious, refreshing multivitamin drink is ready to enjoy. It's a pleasant way to get your daily nutrients. Consistent daily use of Plix multivitamin offers a range of fantastic benefits for your body. It's formulated to help support your energy levels throughout the day, helping to reduce feelings of tiredness and fatigue. Furthermore, this powerful blend of vitamins and minerals works to boost your body's natural immune system, keeping you feeling strong. Ultimately, regular intake contributes significantly to your overall well-being and vitality, helping you feel your best every single day. To ensure you get the most out of your Plix multivitamin, here are a few important tips. Always remember not to exceed the recommended daily dose of one tablet. More is not necessarily better. For optimal freshness and potency, store your Plix multivitamin container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Lastly, if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.